So happy to introduce Dr. Rajaram. Giri Mahodaya will be providing a detailed introduction. And today's talk is very intriguing. Reality in Vedanta and Quantum Physics, Can the Twain Meet? Very intriguing title, and I want to know a lot more. I think all of you also agree with me. So just a little bit about MIT Sanskritam. Won't take too much of your time. We are a student-run organization here at MIT. We focus on teaching spoken Sanskrit and using the medium of spoken Sanskrit to advance study in Sanskrit. We've been operating here for I think 6, 7, 8 years. 8 years. It's been about
4 years.
Yeah, 8 years here, and I've been part of the group for about 5 years here. So we currently run classes here at MIT. So it's study group fashion as well as, so we have 2 levels of classes. A beginner class, but they started quite a while ago, and I'm an intermediate class. So and once in a while we also have talks like this. So I think without further ado, I just ask Giri to introduce.
सर्वेभ्यो नमः, सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अस्मिन् प्रसङ्गे डॉक्टर राजाराम महोदयः रियालिटी इन् वेदान्त एण्ड क्वाण्टम् फिजिक्स् इति शीर्षकम् आधार्य एकं भाषणं दद्यात्। संस्कृतभारत्या अपि च MIT संस्कृतसंस्थया आयोजितं कार्यक्रमः आयोजितः अस्ति इति कारणात् आरम्भे अहं संस्कृतेन किञ्चित् परिचयं करोमि, परन्तु अद्यतन कार्यक्रमः तु आङ्ग्लभाषया एव भवेत्। डॉक्टर राजाराम महोदयः वस्तुतः विज्ञानी अस्ति। गणितक्षेत्रे तस्य आरम्भकाल पठनम् आसीत्। अनन्तरं सः इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी मध्ये प्रथमम् अधीतवान्। अनन्तरं नासा कार्यालये सः बहु वर्षाणि यावत् कार्यं करोति स्म। अनन्तरं 20 वर्षेभ्यः उपविंशतिवर्षेभ्यः पूर्वं सः तत् कार्यं त्यक्त्वा हिस्ट्री एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस इति क्षेत्रे तस्य नूतन कार्यम् आरब्धवान्। अनेकानि पुस्तकानि महोदयेन रचितानि। कतिचन पुस्तकानि तु सरस्वती रिवर् इति सरस्वतीनद्याः विषये, अनन्तरं वैदिक सिविलैजेशन् इति तस्य विषये, डेसिफर्ड् इण्डस्क्रिप्ट् इति नक्वर्जा महोदयेन सह। अद्यत्वे महोदयस्य संशोधनं use of natural history and genetics to study ancient origins as well as Vedanta to understand problems in metaphysics of quantum theory. Reality इत्युक्ते वास्तविकम् इति संस्कृतभाषायां पदं तत् क्षेत्रे इत्युक्ते तत्त्वक्षेत्रे फिजिक्स् मध्ये तस्य सम्बन्धः कः, अपि च अस्माकं सम्प्रदायेषु अद्वैत वा द्वैत विशिष्टाद्वैत एतेषु सम्प्रदायेषु तद्विषये किम् उक्तमस्ति, अद्यत्वे आधुनिकवैज्ञानिकक्षेत्रे तस्य विषये किं सूच्यते, तयोः मेलनं कुत्र भवति, कैन दे मीट इति तद्विषये महोदयः अद्य भाषणं दद्यात्। So without further ado, I request Dr. Rajaram to give his talk.
Thank you very much. Please, some of you, I gave the same talk. If you, not the same talk, at the same place, I gave a talk 6 months ago on a different subject, and there will be a fundamental difference because what I spoke about the other day, actually almost exactly 6 months ago, related to what is this?
Oh, what is your point?
Oh, okay, that's fine. We can put this down. Essentially was the culmination of about 15 to 20 years of research. Essentially, it closed the chapter on the old approach to history. Although there is still some so-called debate or dispute which is being artificially kept alive, as far as we are concerned, it's a closed chapter. There is nothing to be done there, except study why it happened that way about the historiography. I'm writing a book with Makan Lal on why the distortion of history took place and what was the origin of that. But here what I'm talking about is something totally different, because we will not be able to make any definitive statements. We will simply be able to look at issues from different perspectives and see if we can, what are the problems, where are the challenges, and try to answer some, at least what are the questions we need to ask. And it came to me as an astonishing surprise. I mean, it came to me, I was astonished to find that some of the questions that people are asking today had been asked in a totally different environment, in a totally different context, by some Vedantic thinkers, notably Shankara, Madhva, and a few others. These are the two. And also, the next one, please. What we mean by, I think first point I want to note is included, there is no problem with reality. This is the first one. First slide.
This is the one right after duality and reality.
No, first one. This. Let me see. No. I say I have the wrong one. Let me check. Just a second.